Hey guys, me Misha. Let's take a look at our day that has ended. And in 2 days we'll have our month wrapped up. Yeah. Intel idling. Intel just idling. You know. So I want to play with the idea of it's gonna take a long time though. My trading coach just proposed finally that we use a yearly chart because superior and inferior time frame work absolutely in the same manner. So technically speaking, you can go with whatever chart and it's gonna be equally applicable because the time frame is just our artificial way of grouping the chart. So per se, I can go like 120 months. Too big. 24 is too big. Look. Huh. 12 is the biggest. Okay. So TradingView refuses to chart anything to group above um, 12 months, 1 year. So this marking has been proposed. You see, it charts absolutely like the same way as any other time frame would. Wave is a wave. You can group it like 4 hours, 4 months, 6 months, 1.5 months, whatever. It's gonna be subject to absolutely same yeah, just months. It's not gonna add much in some cases, in the others it will. Like this, I'll show you. So that was a that was a sign of strength, the biggest volume. Right? The biggest volume of this entire shebang. Also, that was like, yeah, but no spread. Technically, that was another sign of strength, but its spread was not bigger. Yeah, it was not. 22.53, 22.49. So yeah, that's the thing that's been proposed, and that's the only difference. However, that will involve a lot of recharting because sometimes it does make a difference. You know what? This was also a test level, of course. Test level. Yeah. That was a test level in 0.5. unvolumed. But yeah. But yeah, right there. Right there. Spring and broke below. That was an entry on hourly. Doo-doo. Yep. Forget about this guy. So this was the biggest volume of this. And then that was the volume. What? No. Yeah. Ay. There was no test though. It didn't give us a test. It went up without it. It's a correction. Yeah. No. Where was it? It was here. Yeah, in 5 minutes it was just like down, down, down. V-shaped turn. Absolutely no chance. Yeah. This thing didn't give Intel, didn't give us no chance. Me. Other people use other systems of trading that may be way more profitable, that are obviously way more profitable than what I do. Yeah. Something like this is happening here. I wouldn't have much trust in a this test level, because the whole thing is counter trend on monthly. In a couple of days it will close at the test level. And we'll wait it to the test level. I know. Maybe not so bad. Okay. Fozagra, the douche. This was the day that I died. That's Fosagra song. This was the day that I died. An American. Gotta learn the lyrics. I don't know the lyrics. Guys, and I just learned, I was googling America song from West Side Story, and there is a new remake, 2021. And I was in the go, so I couldn't pay much attention, but it looked to me that Puerto Rican cast there was, I don't know if they're Puerto Rican, but at least like BIPOC folks. which was like we are doing better than in 70s. That's good. That's a good sign. We're better than 50 years ago. You know what I mean? It looks like I mean, they should have. It would be obnoxious if they came out black-faced again. But yeah, I think it's good. Okay. So that's the problem with these guys. And I mean, right? It's a lot of work to rechart everything. That's the idea. That's the idea. That's not good. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Right, that's for Sagro. Where this is coming from? Why? Yeah, this makes no sense. It's the previous T2 is here. Dun, 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 dun. Or plug. Same deal. It's gonna take me forever. But maybe it's a good time to revise all my charts. Whatever it takes, you know what I mean? And I was teasing myself with that idea that, I mean, sometimes you even have it set up from monthly. Just like super long trade, I wouldn't mind to take it. And then I need a superior time frame, right? And if it checks out on yearly, why don't? So that was that. It's a short impulse. I don't know, 58. I think that was the biggest, right? Yeah, so this was the biggest. 58. And look, it even did hold for some time, regardless of the mismatch of the volume. So like big volume came in, and even with that volume, it did hold this level for a little while. This doesn't belong here. Oops. Sorry, vice versa. That's how it played out for plug. Oh, Tegakia is there. But, I mean, it's in a balance. Okay. Everything just goes lower. It just goes lower. Posse. That's the volume. Counter trend. Counter trend. One bar reversal. You know what I mean? No, not this. Not specifically what I meant. And then one bar reversal and it takes off. Most unlikely. Most unlikely. It's an interesting motion though. It's 0.5. It's, I don't know. Yeah, so there's no volume to count it in for anything. There's just no volume. It's unvolumed. This whole thing is unvolumed. SLB unvolumed. Looks like it wants to break. Looks like it wants to break. I'd rather look at it like this through a transitioning scenario. It didn't break it though, like technically. It's good, but realistically, I mean, come on. So technically, this was an entry point. To take it like that, like, come on. Just like this. I don't think so. I think it should come here. AFK system just crushes. Russian market is close to a free fall. I think we are nearing exhaustion and panic event. That would be fun to watch. Oh, I don't mind to speculate on people's misfortunes, including my own. Look at my red. I have like so many things in red. And yet, as the predators, as the hunters, it's always interesting to watch. dramatic events happening. Yeah. I think it's in the nature of human being. At least it's in my nature to be driven away by like something that moves fast, something dramatic, something chaotic rather than organized. This did good. This did good. This did good. Yeah. The next stop is 0.5. And then the daily level. And my monthly setup was taken away, was tapped out right here. That's why we need a test, don't we? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, where was I? Where was I? This makes no sense. Ooh, Lockheed Martin is in correction. Ooh. Just grinds like there's no tomorrow. Like, absolutely train wrecks. This up thrust needed a test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Look at this. An up thrust test, that was an entry. That was an entry, my friends. A clean, beautiful entry. It's going, whatever it was going, and then touch, and then boom. 2-bar up thrust. Well, yeah, but test. Yeah, that was beautiful. Chord, unvolumed spring that would need a test. Yeah. ACM. Oh, sorry, that's the level. In reality, and I mean it's in 0.5. I don't even know why it's there. But yeah, Nike did it. Amp thrust. I'm idling. Tilting. It's called tilting in poker. Is it? Does it make sense in English? Tilt. And like I'm stuck not taking the trades that are in my face. That's what I've been going through in the past months, maybe. But hey. It's also the period we need to go through. I need to go through. And this goes lower. This goes lower. Yeah, that's E level. That's a level. It's a break. First sign of trend reversal. Let's see. Let's see. So it's good in continuation of the trend, right? I think it is. This is gone and done. This may be something. PLK. Dudoosh. That's officially a test level now. Right in 0.5. Right in 0.5. Yeah. Right there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm tired. Reversed. Reversed. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Uh-huh. I think it closed the lead of this impulse. It's falling down, right? Okay. It's it's expanding the ice level. Interesting. Nothing like exhaustion. This guy, it's gonna break soon, so catch up. Yeah. Ketchup is breaking. I think it's gonna go up from here. I think it's gonna go up. Wait. Yeah, there was. Yeah. You can go up from here. Spy is spying. No, it can break. It can go down easily. So now G1. Yeah. It will break. It can break in 2 days. 2 days left. Gotta be like super careful. United Health, Qualcomm, just idling. And a good level is the volume spring. Stay down. Okay. This was a test level, by the way. It's just at the test level. It's not a good place to like trade it short, I think. But yeah, that was the level. That was the expansion of the level. Yeah, up thrust, test, and test signal says that like no bueno. And it doesn't make sense. It's in correction on daily, right? Yeah, it's in correction now. Oh wait, no, that was, well, yeah, it shows a correction, but on hourly. You got to see it as a counter trend more so. So ADP. Well, this is interesting. Well, this is interesting. And it broke it down, changed the direction. Yeah. It's an up thrust. Counter trend. TTM. Russell. Dow Jones. Coca-Cola. That might be interesting. There is like interesting levels on some stocks. There are interesting levels on some stocks, including this guy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna bail out.